I'm going to show you the handout on the step-by-step on making a blog, and then I'm going to open up Google and actually walk you through Blogger and the steps and possibly how you might want to create your blog. This is the handout. And it talks to you step by step about opening Google, how you're going to create it, the steps for creating an RSS feed, and a gadget. Also, I highly recommend you look at number 7 on the WikiHow on adding an RSS feed to a Blogger blog, and also the 7 things you should know about RSS feeds. The requirements are you're going to create your blog, you're going to have a purpose for your blog. What are you going to use your blog for? And in this case, we're going to create a blog on educational technology, which you will make personal to what interested you are in subjects and educational technology applications. So without any further explanation, since you've got the step-by-step instructions, I'm going to actually open up Blogger. Okay, so I am already logged into my Google account, and I'm going to go here to the apps, and I'm going to scroll down here to where this little orange block that says Blogger. So I'm going to click Open Blogger, and I have quite a few blogs, but right here I'm going to drop down, and I'm going to scroll down to the bottom where it says New Blog, and I'm going to call this Online 4507 blog, and the actual name of it, I will have to leave no spaces, and I have to see if it's available. So I'm going to put Online 4507 blog, and if I click enter, it said it was okay, gave me the blue check. So I'm doing the free version, so it will say that my address is online4507blog.blogspot.com. This will always be the address that you will submit to me, not this big long URL. You should be able to view your blog and actually have this address in your browser bar. All right, then I'm going to suggest, just for simplicity matters and to make sure that it shows up for grading, that you choose the simple theme, and I'm going to create my blog. And you don't want to find a domain, because I'm going to say no thanks, because that's when they want to charge you. All right, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go over here to theme, and I can customize it. Now, I'm not going to go through all the customization, but one thing you can do is you can click on it, and I can change the color of the background, or I can change it to a different background. I can even upload my own personal image. So let's just say if I go into the background and I want to maybe use a different color. And then I might also want to go back here to the background, and I can use some of these stock images that they have in Blogger. So let's say, for example, if I went down to let's say textures, or let's say technology, and textures better. So let's just say for this purpose, I wanted to use this particular texture in the background and hit done. Okay. Now I can still go back here and use some of the colors. There we go. So this is what my Online 4507 blog begins with. If you'll look over here, I already have a gadget that says about me. You're going to click on that, view my complete profile, and you're going to edit it, putting in your information. Blog Archive will also show which blog post you have created in the past, and they're usually done by date. Okay, so we've kind of filled with the theme there. Then the next thing I'm going to look at is creating an RSS feed. So if I click layout, I like this simple format theme because it shows the gadgets and the RSS feeds on the side. So you see, you've already got About Me in the blog archive. And I want to go over here and I'm going to hit Apply to Blog because I forgot to make sure that I changed all my customizations. Anytime you change something, make sure you apply it to your blog. So I want to get out of the background, which was here, and I applied it to blog. I can now look and see what I did. So I'm going to click View Blog. So I've got this texture background and I've got the purple that I changed right here. I have my About Me, and then it doesn't show my archives yet because I have not created any post. Okay, so let's go back over here to layout. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go down here to, I can drag the gadgets here on the sidebar. And I've gone back to Blogger. So I'm back in my edit mode and I'm out of theme and I'm going to go to layout. Now, this is where we're going to add gadgets and RSS feeds, but I want them right here on the right. So the first gadget I'm going to add is the one that I said that's free without ads. And if I scroll down here, I can go down to adding, I'm going to suggest doing Wikipedia. When I click the plus and I click save, it's going to have Wikipedia right here. So now I have Wikipedia, About Me, and Blog Archive. I'm just going to show you one RSS feed. Now, before you add your RSS feed, you have to have the link. And if you think the link is right, it will work as an RSS feed. If it doesn't, then you'll have to go back and find another link. Now, usually what I do, this is, very not specific, but I just go to Google and I'll do RSS feed on a subject that I'm interested in. So I'm going to go get an RSS feed link real quick and show you. I typed in teacher technology and using blogs and teaching, and I came one up here that says We Are Teachers Educators Blog RSS Feed. When you see this in FeedSpot, it'll tell you RSS feed right here, and then you go right here and copy this. And then I'm going to go back over here to add a gadget in my layout. And this time when I go to the gadget, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to find feed. So I'm going to click the plus and it's going to ask you, what is that RSS feed URL? I'm going to copy it. And then if I hit continue, it was an RSS feed. And so here it is. We Are Teachers. It previews it right there. And I like that. So I'm going to click save. And then I'm going to go back up here and view my blog to see how it looks. So now I have my Wikipedia gadget on here, my About Me, and I have the We Are Teachers RSS feed. Okay, so that shows you how to do that. And when you click View Blog, it saves it. So let me go back, and I'm going to go back to Blogger. And there again, here it is, Online 4507 blog, and I just hit View Blog, and there it was layout when I created my RSS feeds and gadgets. So that kind of gives you a quick overview, and I think the rest of it will be pretty much self-explanatory.